Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB and Jordan. This is the start of our 2023 KTM Suspension Testing Series. If you followed some previous videos, we've already started doing some testing on the 23s, but now we each have our own bike, a 23 450 SXF and a 23 350 SXF. And we are out at our local turn track today to test some different suspension settings. On the 450, we got the JBI Suspension Motocross Spec WP XACT Pro forks. XACT 6500 Pro forks. These are a cartridge drop-in. The rear shock is the stock shock revalved to one of our motocross specs. We have this shock labeled B. On Jordan's bike, he has the WP XACT 7548 forks. These are set up to a motocross spec. And on the back, he has the WP XACT Pro shock in the back, revalved to a motocross spec as well. And in the van, we got one extra set of WP XACT 7548 forks. And we have a stock WP shock, also revalved to a motocross spec that we have labeled A. So today we're going to turn a bunch of laps at this turn track that we rode last Sunday. So we're pretty familiar with the track now. We're going to do a little warm-up sesh, then come back to the van and get busy trying some different settings, variations, forks, and shocks. We'll get some video clips of us riding and some other video clips of us swapping out the suspension off and on the bikes, along with some feedback as well. The dirt is looking awesome. Just a little dry on top, but really deep and brown underneath. So should make for a great day of riding and having fun.